How to pin a message on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to open the Facebook Messenger app in your Android by installing it from your Android Play Store. Now open the Messenger app in your phone. You can see the desktop of your Facebook Messenger app will appear in front of you. Now we are going to know that how to pin a message on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to open the chat of the person which you want to pin their message. Click on it and you can see the chat of the person. Like I am going to pin this voice note on my Android or on my chat. Before pinning this, just make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Just you have to hold on the message which you want to be pinned. You can see different options will appear at the bottom. Just you have to click on the pin option. In this way, you can see your chat will be pinned and that message will appear at the top. In this way, when you want to highlight any of your message, when you want to remember any of the message or voice note, just you have to pin that voice note or pin that message that will appear at the top of your chat. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.